in my rearview mirror while I was sitting here, and I saw this guy, and then that guy, and then there's 5 of them here. And someone has abandoned these puppies at this little roundabout area, turnaround at the end of this dead-end road. And there's a hurricane on its way, and I cannot leave them out here. Absolutely not. And they're super sweet too. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hello. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am being swarmed by puppies.
被你发现 Three, two, one Oh 你是对的人不得不承认无可取代的认真
Small fellow. So you go straight on, mate. You go straight on. Doing a good job. Well done. Good boy.